Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can download and install R5 Apex, modded Apex Legends version. Now it's super fast and easy, and let me show how. So the first thing that you need to do here, you need to have EA app and you need to have Apex on EA app. So you need to just have a Apex Legends on your library, and just the title. You don't even basically you don't need to download it, right? So I got it on EA app, but if you don't, you just need to go to the library or browse, look for Apex, and then hit download, right? And if you don't want to have it on EA, you just need to, for example, if I put Sims here, press next, click download, and then you can just cancel it. And cancel it, and you will have the title on Apex Legends title in the library. It's perfectly normal, and all you need to have here, you don't need to install all the game on EA app, for example, if you play on Steam. And then what you need to do here is to go to r5reloaded.com/download. I will leave the link in the description below. Hit download all the files, and once you download all the files, you should get this R5 Reloaded thing here. And here it will be not launch Apex, but install Apex here. And then you can just play R5 Reloaded. And that's pretty much it. Now what you need to do here if you want to get R5. So yeah. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.